I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha, and I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice. Today, I want to discuss with you 3 renovations that can help you sell your home faster. So you've decided to place your home on the market. You likely want to sell it as quickly as possible. Partially, this is for your own convenience. But more importantly, though, the longer a house sits on the market, the lower its final price tends to be. Therefore, you need to list your home. Before you list your home, you need to be certain it's ready to attract as much attention as possible. One great way to do this is by making strategic renovations to various areas around your home. You want to make sure you're making the most of your remodeling budget to ensure it results in the biggest payoff. To help you come out ahead, in other words, get more price for your house than the actual money you spend on the renovations, here are 3 renovations that can help you sell your home faster. Let's begin with the kitchen. Everybody knows that. A dated kitchen is one of the biggest turnoffs for potential home buyers. A renovated kitchen draws people in and causes them to overlook other potential flaws. A kitchen renovation can be a great investment to make before you sell your home. The roof. I know you hardly ever see the roof except when you're on the outside. But if you can state in your listing that your roof was recently replaced, you will gain more interest, helping you sell your home more quickly. And then be certain, if you have it done, be certain the roofer sealed the roof cap and any protrusions. Also, be certain the roof color goes with the house. A bathroom. The bathroom is a great way to maximize your remodeling budget. This is an area where you can have a little fun with renovation, such as tubs and lighting. These are the fun items that make your home stand out from the others. So you're going to want to get my special report, 29 Essential Tips that Get Homes Sold and for Top Dollar. You'll also want to get my special report, Squeezing Every Last Dollar from Your Home Sale, Valuable Ideas to help you get the most out of your home sale. To get these special reports and others, go to my website at markrenner.com, click on the Special Reports tab, and order these special reports along with any of the other special reports that I have on my website there. I have many special reports on how to buy a house, how to sell a house, how to pick an agent. They're very informative. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. I hope this information has helped you prepare for the next transition in your life. Even if you do not plan on becoming a client of mine, please feel free to contact me as a resource for more information on how you can get the most out of your real estate investment. In today's market, every little bit of information helps, and I have many valuable insider secrets to share with you. Give me a call today. My name is Mark Renner. My cell phone number is 402-690-1687. My email is mark@markrenner.com. And check out my website for some valuable information and other special reports. My website is www.markrenner.com. Have a great day.